Low battery. Take Winbot off promptly.
In this video, I'm going to show you what happens to the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni when it has low power. We'll be testing out how long it lasts and then what happens once the battery finally dies. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to this will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's get it installed, and let's see what happens.
Low battery. Winbot is returning automatically. Low battery. Reeling in the cable. Low battery. Take Winbot off promptly.
Alright, there we go. Eventually the battery and power will wind down, and as you see, the unit will detach itself and fall off the window, so you've been warned. We got a solid 20 minutes and closer to 25 minutes before it lost suction and shut down and fell off.